Hey my friends, it is far too cold to start this tour outside, so we're starting it inside. This is our brand new listing at 1702 Irvin Avenue Northwest. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that's close to campus, close to downtown, and close to Walmart and Target. The best part is, it's priced at $189,900. I want to show you guys around this property, so let's take a look. So we are starting the tour. We are right here in the front. So you can see out the window, that is Irvin Avenue that you can see right there. Front door and a little closet there. And now we are in the living/dining area. This is a really large room. You could realistically, in this little area here, you could easily put a dining table if you wanted, and then still have this nice big living room set up. Or you could just have a really, really large living room. Back here, this is the back door that goes to the backyard and your detached garage. You have your kitchen. So you have your sink, lots of cabinet space here. You have your stove and your fridge, everything like that. Some nice new luxury vinyl plank flooring down here. That goes downstairs. We'll check that out in a minute. But now you're in the hallway here. You've got a nice little linen closet. That's right here. I've actually got some of my stuff stored in there at the moment. You've got your bathroom that's up here. So you've got a full tub and shower. A little vanity, a little bit of storage up above as well. And then if I flip the camera around, right over here is one of your bedrooms. So they're good sized bedrooms. You do have a closet right here as well. Good sized bedroom, vinyl window in this room. If we come down here, this is probably the largest bedroom up here. You get a good sized closet with a little bit of drawer storage down below. Then we'll head to the third and final bedroom up here. Another good size bedroom, good size closet there as well. So now we'll head downstairs. And while I'm heading downstairs, the cool thing about this property is that it's priced under $200,000. And as you know, if you've been looking at the market in our area, finding anything that's quality under $200,000 is really hard to find. So I'm really excited about this one. But now that we are down here, flip this around. So we just came down the steps. You've got a nice large family / additional living space down here. You've got your mechanical room down here, so your hot water heater and your furnace, everything like that. You've got your second bathroom down here, so stand-up shower, full vanity, and a toilet. And then you've got another storage room that also doubles as your laundry room. So you actually do have some nice spaces back here to be able to put your clothes baskets or fold clothes or even just store some extra stuff. And you do have your washer and dryer here. Now the last thing we'll do is we'll head over this way. And this is the 4th bedroom. So this is a really good sized bedroom, largest of the house. You do have your egress window there that goes up to the driveway. Nice big closet space. And then you've got this back here, which isn't technically a bedroom because it's not egress windowed, but there's lots of options. You could take this wall out, make this room even larger. You could turn this into a very large walk-in closet. You could turn it into a walk-in closet and a bathroom. Since your utility room is just on the other side of this, probably wouldn't be too hard other than just getting a floor drain put in. So there's lots of opportunity with this room down here to kind of do whatever you so desire. Could be a really nice home office as well. We're gonna head back upstairs. Like I said, this home is priced at $189,900. It hits the market on Wednesday, which is the 5th. So just a couple days from now, but by the time you're seeing this, it will already be live. The link to this property is down in the description. If you guys have any questions or want to take a tour of this property, reach out to me, 218-308-1230. Especially in this price point and heading into the spring market, I don't expect this home to last very long. So if you're looking for a nice single family home or you're an investor that's looking for a rental property, this does currently have a current rental permit on it as well. You definitely don't want to wait around on this one, so reach out to me, 218-308-1230. And before I forget, since it's too cold to go outside right now, there's your double detached garage as well. Good size lot as well. Goes back there to where that tree is. So really nice quality property close to town and at a great price. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, more information on this property down in the description. Go check it out. And if you want to take a tour of this property or you have any further questions, reach out to me, 218-308-1230. Thanks guys, we'll catch you in the next one.